All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1978 Ford F100. And like a classic Ford, usually most of the time you see the round bodies, the square bodies from the 90s, but this is an actual nice square body from the 70s. And some of the nice features about this car, besides the beautiful green paint job, you got that little cowl induction, but not a cowl induction I like to call it. You got the classic style rims. You got some of the nice 70s features like the Sun Pro tach. You got the old mild radio, and you're never gonna believe it when you see it. You got a little CB radio, and that's unbelievable because most of the time you either see those in 18-wheelers or just people out in the country. But yet again, still a pretty nice old-timey feature to have. As I'm going around the corner here, you can hear that it's really nice. You're not hearing no leaks in the exhaust. You can see that the steering is not dragging away from you. Here you go, I'll give you a bit of a brake test. Brakes are really solid. Got our PSI gauge down there. But mostly everything was kept original and nice. Really, really good for a Ford, with some minor upgrades, but nothing too major. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around up here, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. Hope to see you there.